Alright, let's talk about geographical slogans in Sweden.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
Yes, so in Sweden you have townships or municipality, but I'm gonna go with townships because municipality is just a weird word to say. Where each of these have, most of them at least, have slogans to lure you in as a tourist or perhaps someone who wants to live there in the future. And I thought we would look at a few of them. I will translate them and then let's have a little conversation, shall we? Let's go. Bollebygd. Kommunen där vi bor bra och lever länge. Where we live well and live long. I mean, this is one of the youngest townships in the country. It's only 23 years old. Maybe there's something in the water. Bjurholm, Sveriges minsta kommun. Which is what it sounds like. It's the smallest one in the country when it comes to inhabitants. Maybe it won't always be like that. Borlänge, trevligt folk. Enjoyable people. They're striving towards becoming the most enjoyable town in Sweden. A little backlash of late. They were actually in a recent poll voted the ugliest town in the country, so... But I know a lot of people from there and they are nice people, so no judgment there. Now the township of Bräcke, and their slogan is FÖRSTA klass. FÖRSTA klass. They're trying to lure people in, preferably people who are 50 plus or families. That's their goal, their KPI. Then we have Ekerö, kulturens övärld, the culture's island world, which is actually the site for two World Heritage Sites, Drottningholm, the castle, and Birka, the old settlement, early settlement. Cool. Then we have Enköping, Sveriges närmaste stad. Sweden's closest city, and it says so on the sign when you drive there. I never really understood why, so I looked it up, and when this was coined, within a radius of 120 kilometers, a third of the entire population of Sweden lived, including 38 cities, so it's close to a lot of things. Then we have Hässleholm, nära till allt, långt ifrån dyrt. Close to everything, far from expensive. But what is it? What is Hässleholm all about? And, bonus question, do you live on the right side of the tracks? Then we have Järvsö, alltid vackert nära, always beautifully close. What does that mean? Can proximity be beautiful? Then we have Karlsborg, Sveriges reservhuvudstad, Sweden's reserve capital. The reason for this is it has a famous fortress and it's meant to host the government, the parliament, the reserve and the royal family in case of war. So it's been prepared for that. Sveriges reservstad. Karlskrona, med vind i seglen. With wind in the sails. And I've lived there for 10 years, so I can tell you it's a windy city. It blows. And then we have Malmö, mångfald, möten, möjligheter, diversity, meetings and opportunities. It is the third biggest city in Sweden and it is my hometown. Then we have Oskarshamn, kommunen med energi, the township with energy, and what they're winking at there is the fact that they have a nuclear power plant, one of 3 that are still operational in Sweden as of yet. And then we have Stockholm, the capital of Scandinavia, beauty on water, and Nordens VENEDIG, the Venice of the North. Yeah, they have English ones as well. Then we have Tanum, kommun utan gränser, township without borders, which is ironic. And then we have Trosa, världens ände, world's end. Trosa means panty. And then we have the northern town of Umeå, BJÖRKARNAS stad, vill mer. Town of birches and want more. Weird slogan. Honest, but weird. Then we have Vaggeryd in the state of Småland, and their slogan is där hjulen alltid snurrar, where the wheels always spin. You know why? Because nobody wants to stop there. Vallentuna, var 5:e invånare är en häst. One of my colleagues out there lives there. She's not a horse. Vimmerby, Barnens stad, the children's town, the hometown of author Astrid Lindgren. And finally, Österåker, mer än bara en anstalt, more than just a prison. I mean, when you ask anyone, basically, you say Österåker, they think of the institution, the prison. But according to their slogan, it's more than that. I've actually been inside the prison a little over a year ago. Not as an inmate, but as a filmer for a project I did about the environment. So those were, I believe, 30 slogans from townships all around Sweden. Do you live in a place where you have like a slogan for your town, your county, or your state, or your township? Let me know, because they're usually funny and most of the time bad. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you the next time you click on any of my videos, and at the end of this there's a link to another video, and you just keep on going. Bye.